Welcome to my channel.
Samsung Galaxy S23 series battery, camera details tipped, hint at similar features as predecessors. Samsung Galaxy S23 series is expected to be unveiled early next year. The smartphone series said to include three models, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra, has been in the rumor mill for quite some time now. Now, battery and camera details of the upcoming Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra have surfaced online. As per the new leak, the Galaxy S23 Plus will come with 4,700 mAh battery, whereas the Galaxy S23 Ultra is said to get a 5,000 mAh battery. The Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus are expected to sport 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras as well, according to a report by Galaxy Club, Dutch. The Galaxy S23 Plus will come with a battery capacity of 4,700 mAh. If the leak turns out to be true, this would be an upgrade over the 4,500 mAh battery of the Galaxy S22 Plus. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will be reportedly backed by a 5,000 mAh battery similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The report further suggests that the vanilla Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will feature a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera like their predecessors. However, the camera details of the Galaxy S23 Ultra are unknown at this moment. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S23 series in either January or February. Details of the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra have been tipped multiple times in the past. The upcoming phones could be powered by Exynos 2300 SoC. Samsung is expected to pack the unannounced 200-megapixel isoscel HP2 camera sensor on the Ultra model. The Galaxy S23 series is expected to bring a list of upgrades over this year's Galaxy S22 models. India-specific variants of Samsung Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra run Android 12 and are powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC.